Hello cookbook friend, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and I made a library haul and I saw the word baker and I'm not sure where the Tivoli Road is. Is it Italy? This is Michael James with Pippa James. Let's check it out. It's bread, pastries, donuts, pies, and cakes, so this can't be a bad time, right? I'm a little worried because this cookbook is huge. It's heavy and hard to hold up. Came out in 2018. We're off to a good start. Is Tivoli Road the name of their bakery, I guess? Okay, let's check out the table of contents. Yes, Tivoli Road Bakery. Okay. Chapter 1, bread. Then viennoiserie, Vienna pastries, I guess. Savory, ooh, I love savory. Baked goods. Pastry, seasonal, British bakes, basics, and larder at the end. Usually larder's at the beginning. Okay. So here's our authors. And here's the bakery. Starting off with the chapter on bread. Now I can't show you the whole book, so I will peek through and see something interesting to show you. Oh, step-by-step photos on dealing with dough. Thank you. You guys know I love step-by-step photos. A story of native grains. We're going to take a break and read and learn some things before we start baking. And here's basic sourdough. Nice photo. Love it. And basic sourdough continues. Not a lot of words on the page. Not sure what's happening. Olive loaf. I love making olive loaves. And whole grain milling company they're talking about. I guess somebody they know or their source for their wheat. Okay. I'll read that later. Multi-grain loaf. Not my favorite personally. Fruit sourdough. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. I probably need to work on getting out of the bread chapter because I can't show you everything. They're talking about raw honey. Okay. Lots and lots of info about beekeeping, which I'm going to skip over because I'm not that interested in that. Whole grain rye and buttermilk loaf. Yum. And a picture of, I'm not sure what's going on. Flour sacks? Wattle seed, macadamia, and honey loaf. What is wattle seed? That is a new word to me. I've never heard that before. I'm going to look it up. Sprouted buckwheat loaf. Okay. Here's people working hard in the kitchen or the bakery. Viennoiserie. Okay. Ooh, I see croissants and crescent rolls. Okay, croissant pastry. Step by step. Yes, thank you. I've never attempted croissant. I am terrified of it. Here's how they come out. If other people than me make them. Pain au chocolat. Who doesn't want bread with chocolate in the middle? A seasonal fruit Danish. I wish that picture was bigger. It's small. St. David Dairy. Talking about where they're getting their dairy from for the bakery, I assume. Keep going, keep going. Escargot. No, thank you. Escargot, no. Morning buns. Almond croissant. That should have been back in the croissant chapter. Oh, but we're in the Vienna chapter. Okay. Now we're in savory. I've been looking forward to this chapter. Here's the authors, I think, hanging out. Croissant, cheddar, and chive scones. What is croissant? Sandwiches. Okay. Roasted chicken with horseradish, mayonnaise, butter, lettuce, and pickles. Okay, I didn't know we were going to do sandwiches here. Roasted chicken sandwich. Okay. Yeah, bakery serves sandwiches. That makes sense. Roasted pork with Tuscan slaw and crackling. I wouldn't have expected to see that in a baking book. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty. Heirloom tomatoes on sourdough with stracciatella and lemon verbena. Okay. More info. Lots of education about where they're getting their stuff. Pies and sausage rolls. I'm finding this maybe a little pretentious, but I don't mean to be offensive, and I hope the authors never watch my review. Beef cheek, stout, and treacle pie. My boyfriend would love that if I would make that for him. Ooh. He would love that. This is chicken curry pie. He does not like curry, so I will not be making that one for him. Chicken, lemon, and sweet potato pie. That sounds good. Potato, mushroom, and taleggio pie. Here's my vegetarian option. Yum! I'm not vegan because I love dairy. Too much. Okay, a salad chapter. Yellow bean and farro with fennel, pecorino, and radicchio. I'm going to skip that because we're here for a baking book, not salads. But there's some beautiful... Okay, I have to show you this photo. It is green wheat, borlotti, and green bean with goat cheese, walnut, and mint. Beautiful. Okay, pastry. Here we go. Back to pastry land, out of salad land. Ooh, pretty. Filling them. Nice photos when they make them big like this. Whole grain spelt and blood plum galettes. I know there are blood oranges. I didn't know there were blood plums. Baked custard tart, no photo. Strawberry and chamomile tarts. That sounds good. Picture of the bakery. People keep early hours at bakeries. Raspberry and goat's milk tarts with lemon myrtle cream. Beautiful. Wish the photo was bigger. Notice how tall this cookbook is too, by the way. It's taller than a lot of mine. Coconut blossom palmiers. That's a nice twist on it. Chocolate orange and almond cake. Ginger cake, no photo. Pistachio cake, no photo. Whole grain spelt and carrot cake. That sounds entirely too healthy. I can't do it. Donuts, my weakness. Donuts. Oh, yes. Salted caramel, lemon curd, or chocolate custard. Chocolate buckwheat cookies. Now we're in the cookie chapter, apparently. Whoa, I'm not sure what's going on here. That's very disturbing. Okay. Seasonal. Thanksgiving, Christmas. Lamington donuts. Okay, they're British. Anzac biscuits. British. Okay. Hot cross buns, which you need for Easter. Ooh, pretty. Look how they came out. Nice. Murray View Organics. Okay, back to the sourcing info. Too many... I'm skipping over it. Sorry, I don't care. Gingerbread. Okay, seasonal. Pistachio and sour cherry nougat. Look how beautiful that is. Good job on these photographs. Mince pies. I knew they would have mince pies once I figured out this is British. Cute little pies. Just the perfect little size, too. Christmas cake. No photo. Christmas pudding. No photo. But instead there's a photo of the bakery. No, that doesn't work for me. Sorry. British bakes. We'll go back to the Lamingtons and Anzac biscuits. Okay. Cornish. Traditional Cornish pasty. I always want to say pasty. No. Eccles cakes. Oh, I heard the spine of this cookbook crack. Yikes, a little bit. Saffron buns. Sultanas. Treacle and vanilla salt tart. Very British. And puff pastry, etc. And then where they're getting their eggs from. Seville orange marmalade. And etc. Not my favorite baking book. Little too much info on the sourcing, but I'm sure when I go back and look through, I'm going to learn some stuff. Wish there were more photos. Wish the photos were bigger because the photos are gorgeous. Anyway, lots of things I would like to bake in here. Some of them are way too healthy. The whole wheat spelt bread. No, I'm here for the sugar and the fat and the good stuff. But, and I'm not sure why there was a salad chapter, but all right. Pretty cool though. Very heavy, so I'm going to put it down. But I want to thank you for watching us. Ask you to subscribe if you'd like to see more of our cookbook review videos. You can find them on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We have a website, cookbookdivas.com. We also have a podcast. Bye.